one, drop it.
Hi, so it's my go now, and so I'm going to strip my oldest to newest. So let's get into it. So this one is a purple, white, and orange one. As you can see, it's really easy. This is the easy side, and the hard side. And then, if we want to get to my newest, I got this one because I just came back from getting it. And you can pop it. It's teal and popping. Now I'm going to move on. This you can count it as a puppet, kinda, but. And we've got this. It's a octopus. You can squish down and up to different sizes. So it's meant to tell your feelings. So when you're happy, you can have this. But when you're sad, say bye. Bye guys.
We're going to be reviewing some of these fidget toys today. So I'm going to be going first, and then this girl is going to go second. So let's have a look at this one. This is an Among Us one. This is my brand new one. It's alright. I like the colours and it feels really nice to pop. This is a fidget spinner one.
Okay.
And it also pops. And you have this square one, which is about the same as that one. You also have this toy.
Yeah, I got it's mine.
Really cool.